And in this video you are gonna learn what is now in TikTok and how you can use TikTok now. So let's begin the tutorial. Here you can see the TikTok apps. So click on your TikTok apps. And now here you can see the option now in the bottom part. Here you can see the now. Just click on now. And this is the feature in second position from left side. So when you click on this, and here you can see the post. So this option were not available in past, but now maybe you are busy to upload videos, so instantly you can upload a picture instead of videos. So TikTok give you this opportunity to grow your audience or to grow your TikTok account. Okay, so you can post 10 out of 8 or so. Just click post on that, and then here you can see when you just click once, tap for only once, then it will be captured, and if you hold this one, and it will be make videos. Okay, so through this process you can also use picture share. You can share your picture to your audience, and after that just you can also set who can view your picture. So it's right friend and everyone. I just give this everyone and click a tick mark, and it will be added on your TikTok ID. So I think it's simple. So from now you can also post your picture on TikTok account through the now option. Okay friend, today is no more. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you.